Happy 4th of July, guys. Do you want to make some delicious, beautiful dessert? I'm going to make mine sugar-free. You don't have to do that, but I'm going to because my husband's diabetic. It's going to be a creation of cheesecake flag cake. There we go. Okay, let's go. I'll show you what I'm going to use. For the crust, we're going to use almond flour, pecans, walnuts, butter, and some monk fruit. Let's mix it all together. Okay, in the food processor, let's get two cups of nuts. Any nut of your choice is good. Half a cup of almond flour. About 2 tablespoons of monk fruit. And whole thing of melted butter. Pulse. Dump the nut mixture into a 9x13 pan, and you can do this in half a portion if you want to do a smaller pan. Recommend just pulsing so you don't basically make nut butter. This made about a ½ an inch of nut crust on the bottom. I thought it was too much, but my husband loved it. If you want to make just a regular pie dish, you can do half this. I'm smashing it down with the bottom of a mason jar to make it all flat. Okay, this is going in the oven. Well, my air fryer oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Outside because my oven inside isn't working and it's really hot anyway. We'll be back. While your crust is baking, I used a lemon pudding, a cheesecake pudding, and a dream whip, all thrown together with 4 cups of milk. When I make this again, I'm going to leave out the dream whip to make it more flavorful. In here, there's that. So that's set. Now we're going to whip up the cream cheese mixture. Now you get 2 things of cream cheese. If you're only doing 1 pie, you only need to do 1. Yeah, 1 scoop pudding. Let's blend that. Tasting for sweetness. It's up to you, but anywhere from a 1/4 cup on up to a ½ a cup of any kind of sugar you want. I'm using monk fruit again. Now we wait for the crust to cool off. Actually, I'm going to leave this one out. I'm going to throw this back in the fridge. While you're waiting for your crust to bake, let's chop some strawberries and rinse some blueberries. Now it's time to assemble. I'm gonna kick it up a notch, zest a lime in the cream cheese as well. Spread it all out. Add the cream cheese pudding mixture to the crust after it's cooled completely. I didn't put all of it. I reserved about a third, and I'll show you what we're gonna do with that. Okay, so here's the rest of the third. Now I got a package. Next time I will add 2 packages of lime jello into the entire cream cheese mixture. Now you can put this in layers or mix it all together, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to go ahead and add it in dollops and then mix it through, kind of like a marble cheesecake. For a delicious lemon cheesecake surprise. Great spring dessert. And summer too. Hey, you got a butter knife? Swirl it through like that. Throw it in the fridge for half an hour to set. The whipping cream? Okay, now here comes the best part. I've put the rest of the whipped cream layer on and chilled it for about half an hour so it's a little settled. Now we're gonna add the berries and I will show you a patriotic way of doing it. It's kind of the most complicated part, but it'll be a breeze. I'll show you how. I'm going to map out a star. These are kind of big blueberries, but okay. That looks like a star, right? Can you see it? Okay. Now for the strawberries, you want to start with the top row. Red, because the flag has a top row and the bottom row of red stripes for those who are patriotic, pay attention to such things. Now it's simple, just skip a row, lay down the next one. That's why I cut the strawberries in triangles like this, because they lay out really well. This is sure to be a hit at any 4th of July party. And not only looks beautiful, but it tastes delicious as well. But you get the idea, right? And it looks better if you put the seed side down. There we go. Look at that beautiful cake. Let's see. Look what we got. Okay, let's get a slice. If you wanted afterwards, you can even add more berries. Look at that, those layers. Look how awesome. The crunchy crust, the creamy cheesecake, the sweet strawberries, the zesty lime. Who wants a bite? Let's try this summer masterpiece. Crust, bite of everything. That's smooth, it's crunchy. Wow, you can't even tell that it's sugar-free. That's amazing. Well, have a happy 4th of July, everyone. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Check out this video. You might like it too.